Just want to show a little video of the hay feeder that I made a couple months ago. I got to use it a little bit before I went back to grazing some land that we're leasing that's still got a bunch of grass on it. But it was working really well, other than the fact that the gaps in the bottom are pretty big on the bottom area right here, all the way around. So a lot of hay was getting kicked out the bottom of it and getting wasted, and they were trampling it. And once it touches the ground, they step on it, they won't eat it anymore. But what I did today, little project while wife and kids are out Christmas shopping, took a cattle panel, 16 foot, 4 foot tall cattle panel, cut it to the dimension that this place is on the bottom here, and took it all the way around and welded it on every little spot there. I like that better than the complete solid skirts, because I feel like they hold a lot of water and a lot more moisture in there, and this will let it breathe a little bit better. But should be feeding hay here in the next week or so, maybe a little less, and I'll get to see how it works. But here's the panel that I cut it out of, a little piece that I cut too long, but they're 16 feet long. They're useful for a lot of different things. But I've done this on both of my hay feeders, the one that I built, and then just a standard one that I standard bought, normal 8 foot round hay feeder. This one's 8 feet at the bottom and 6 feet at the top. Spacing's pretty good. The calves, some of the smaller calves, can get in there and walk on the hay, but typically don't see it too much. But we'll see how it works out. So far it's doing really well. Should last me a long time. Made out of Schedule 40 pipe. That's about an 1/8 inch wall, a little bit more than 1/8 inch wall thickness. Way more heavy duty than any of the ones that you buy, at the big farm stores locally.